Let's take you outside. We do have rain. This particular batch of rain isn't going to last all that long, but it is raining right now in Boston for the start of the commute. It's very mild, 57 degrees, southwesterly wind. All that's going to change. Dew points high. You may even think it's slightly muggy. You won't be thinking that several hours from now. Now, the heaviest downpours are right in eastern Mass. They're really advancing eastward pretty quickly. Steady rains go back to about 495. It's still showery to about Springfield, but everything's lifting north and east, and we're seeing more gaps in the rain coverage. So I do expect this to really progress pretty swiftly from this point on. Very strong jet stream will drive this along, but it's also going to allow our winds to pick up quite a bit. So we still have a few steadier showers right now, still along Route 1 and I-95, and then that other area that's now around the South Shore and just east of Boston. But you see, it's a little bit drier now. It was heavier rain in Providence just a half hour ago. So everything moves east very quickly. You see the clearing that's going to follow. So by the end of the commute, the rain is over, the skies are clearing, but you've got two issues. It's going to be windy and turning chillier pretty quickly. All right, here we go all the way with the clear skies tomorrow, and I wanted to take you all the way to early Friday because that's the next batch of cloudiness coming in that'll have the next round of precipitation, but more about that in a moment. So we're mild in eastern Massachusetts, but it's already cooled down to 46 in Springfield, 47 in Orange, 41 out in the Berkshires at this time. And look at the chilly air. Toronto's at the freezing mark now. Detroit is 33, Chicago is 34. And Minneapolis is 29, and this is about the time you'd expect the high temperatures for the day. So it lets you know a pretty chilly air mass is definitely coming in, and the jet stream will drive it right in to our region. So that's the deal there. Winds are already gusting, especially southeastern Mass and the Cape. And then behind the front, as we get into the colder air, the rush of colder air will cause strong winds. So we have a wind advisory in eastern Mass and actually a high wind warning. The higher elevations of Worcester County and the Berkshires especially could see some gusts over 50 and maybe some localized wind damage. All right, so we project it out, and you see the 30 to 40 plus mile per hour gusts. South Coast and the Cape also gusts strong in a situation like this. And it stays windy really through the night and into tomorrow morning. So wind and chillier temperatures will be greeting you with clear skies early tomorrow. So once the rain ends this evening, it's clearing, gusty winds and colder, about 31 by morning, and tomorrow about 43 for a high, but with the wind it'll feel in the 30s in the afternoon, even colder than that in the morning. All right, we get to Friday, and let's see what the next round of precipitation is going to do. You see that it could be snow, especially the higher elevations, Worcester Hills to the Berkshires, and if it is any wet snow, it would be flipping over to rain here in Boston. But let's check out the next 7 days for you. And oh, of course, we want to just go over the ball game, obviously, the home opener tomorrow. So it will be chilly. I mean, lucky if it's in the low 40s, but the wind will make it feel quite a bit colder. So definitely dress for chilly weather in spite of that sunshine for that game tomorrow. And then Friday, it's wet snow changing to rain with maybe a small accumulation in the higher elevations to the north and west, and could be a little more action for part of the weekend. We'll talk about that at 5. Ed?